welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I will share how to make the wurst bread, the bread wurst of sosis, that's wurst bread. Okay, as so sorry, doesn't mix the language. Sometimes Netherlands, sometimes English and Indonesian. So before this video start, please subscribe, like, and share. All the full information and the ingredients, those are in this video. Please watch this video from beginning until the end. Okay? I will say it with Indonesian language first, and then after that I will translate to English. Okay. Jadi bahan-bahannya adalah timun ya. Aku pakai ini timun secukupnya aja, tapi yang ini aku adanya dua. Ini kulit patisserie yang sudah jadi sekitar 20 biji. Ada bawang putih, 1 butir telur, ini minyak wijen ya, minyak sesame oil, terus biji wijen seperti ini, dan juga ada ini sosis. Jangan lupa garam dan juga merica bubuk. The ingredients are cucumber, 3 pieces of garlic, 20 pieces of the ready patisserie, 1 piece yellow egg, sesame oil, this sesame seed, sosis, little bit salt and pepper. First the cucumber, because I like to eat the cucumber, it's more healthy. Cut small pieces like this. Okay. Small pieces, huh? The reason I would like to use the vegetables like this in bread wurst, and cucumber is contained with vitamin C also, and have a mineral like potassium, calcium. This means it's really good for our immune system. Okay, this all cut in small pieces like this, and then the garlic, small pieces. The fresh garlic is really good for the blood circulation. Is done like this. So let's start with the patisserie. Okay, like this. Don't forget to the baked paper to put in the oven. Okay. First I will mix this. Okay, and the garlic too. Okay, and this. Okay, and like this. Sesame oil, sesame seed, like this, and then sesame oil. Okay. Delicious, look. Mmm. So tasty. The flavor is so delicious. You must try it at home. Try this. Delicious and healthy. Delicious. Now, this is the patisserie. And this first. Okay. And add the little bit of the cucumber. It's very little. Okay. And then I will put it here. So this. And add the sauces. Little bit cucumber. Like this. Okay. Like this. Because the size of the sausage is not same, that's why sometimes the shape is different. I'll show you. Sometimes the shape of different from this is different. Look, because this with the small sausage and this with the long sausage, so it's different shape. But this doesn't matter. If sausage you use it doesn't matter. Okay. At the same time we wait, switch on the oven with the temperature of 200 degrees. Okay, and then continue with the sausage to make the finishing touch of the sausage. I will cut the middle like this. Make the sausage later and cook until inside. So like this, all the sausage. Yellow egg, this all over of the sausages. Just to give nice color also. When it's ready, I will put it in the oven. It's ready, and I'll put it in the oven. This around 20 minutes in the oven. Okay. Belum masuk. Okay, like this. Do the same like the first step. Okay, just make like this, and then with this. Okay, it's ready. The second is ready. I'll put it in the oven. Put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes. Bread, sausage bread like this is ready. Yeah, look. Beautiful color, golden brown. Look, it's ready. And the big one also like this. Okay, and switch off the oven like this. Now take it out from the oven like this and this. Oops. So the sausage bread is ready. The sausage, homemade sausage bread, sausages. It is ready. What do you think about my recipe today? Please give me a feedback and please give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hopefully to see you again on my next video. Please take a look to my other video on my playlist, and hopefully to see you again. Bye everyone, have a great day. Bye bye. Try this. Yummy. Please try it. Thank you for watching.